Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by checking the dress on a mannequin or yourself. Pin the garment flat so the fabric sits naturally. Measure the existing dart length and intake depth, because those numbers guide your stitch. Mark the apex and both legs with a fine fabric marker and place pins at 0. 5 cm intervals to keep the fold precise. Once done, base the dart by hand to test shape. This reveals how much intake to remove before committing to machine stitches. You now sew the dart with steady rhythm, beginning at the fabric edge and stopping just shy of the apex. Backstitch the first few to secure. Slow down as you approach the point so the stitch tapers without a bulky knot. Leave a 1/4 inch tail and tie discreetly, or use a short backstitch finish. Press the dart, either open for bulky layers or toward the center for shaping, using a tailor's ham for curved areas. This smooths stitches and sets the contour. You finish by trimming seam allowance to reduce bulk and clipping curved dart edges for smooth lay. Keep about 0. 5 cm clearance from the stitch line. Try the dress on and inspect the silhouette. If one side pulls or puckers, rebase that dart with smaller stitches and slightly redistribute intake. Make sure not to stretch the fabric while stitching. If puckering persists, release a few stitches, realign the legs, and press firmly with steam to relax fibers. Then
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.